In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a buy and sell group on Facebook Marketplace, designed especially for beginners who want to dive into the dynamic world of online selling. Whether you're looking to declutter your home or start a small business, Facebook Marketplace offers a fantastic platform for reaching local buyers. We'll navigate this process step by step, ensuring you maximize your listing's potential and reach a wide audience. First, log into your Facebook account. As you navigate the home page, direct your attention to the left side menu and find the Marketplace button. Once you click this, look for the option labeled Create New Listing to get started on your sales journey. Next, you'll need to select an item for sale. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for your product's showcase. Begin by choosing the exact type of item you plan to sell. A high caliber photo can make your listing pop, so ensure you select a clear quality picture. Remember, your product description should be engaging and concise, highlighting essential details like price, condition, and any noteworthy features. After entering all your product specifics, click Next. On the following page, you will encounter a preview of your listing. Take this opportunity to review everything and ensure it meets your expectations. Adjacent to your listing, Facebook will suggest local groups you might consider joining to broaden your sales reach. Finally, when you're satisfied with how your listing looks, click Publish to officially list your item on Facebook Marketplace. One of the many advantages of Facebook Marketplace is the integration of buy and sell groups. These groups are a strategic tool to enhance your visibility and sales. Utilize the Facebook search bar to discover groups that align with your location or the niche of your selling item. You can filter these groups to better match your interests, making it easier to connect with potential buyers. Remember, many groups require you to seek admin approval before joining. To increase your chances of gaining entry, it's essential to adhere to the group's rules. Thoroughly reviewing each group's guidelines on posting and interacting with community members will help you maintain a good standing and avoid being declined. Once you're set up and ready to market your item for sale, take another round of high-quality, clear photos to ensure your listing stands out even more. Being detailed about the product's condition, brand, size, and price can significantly help. When buyers start showing interest, engage promptly. Quick responses can create a favorable impression and lead to faster sales. When the sale is confirmed, agree on a secure public location for the exchange. While cash is commonly preferred, be open to using payment options like PayPal, Venmo, or bank transfers if you and the buyer agree on it. Finally, once your item is sold, head back to the listing and mark it as sold. This step is vital to prevent confusion and to save both your and potential buyers' time. There you have it, a straightforward guide to creating a buy and sell group on Facebook Marketplace. By following these steps, you can confidently start your journey into online selling, reaching a broad audience with ease.